तेरे स्कूल में यू वर प्रोबेबली द फिटेस्ट, है ना?
Yes, yes, yes.
मगर अगर तू वो सोच के चलता था कि मैं सबसे फिटेस्ट हूँ, मेरे को ये क्या जरूरत है, व्हाट डू आई नीड टू डू, लाइक यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट कि कल कोई और बंदा तुम्हारे से आगे बढ़ सकता है.
Obviously. True.
लाइफ इज नेवर स्टैग्नेंट, इट्स ऑलवेज डायनामिक ना. तुम आगे बढ़े, ठीक है, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्रो, when you were a fat kid, then there would have been a muscular guy in your school. वो सोच
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
से मेरे से कौन बेटर हो सकता.
True, bro. True. They
एक
were.
एग्जैक्टली 1-2 साल के बाद तू उनसे आगे बढ़ गया, वो सोचते रहे कि ब्रो मैं तो सबसे मस्कुलर था, मैं इसको क्या हुआ. It's all about, you need to keep changing. So I always tell myself, and I tell a lot of my friends the same thing, कि it doesn't matter if you're the first best person ever, you need to treat yourself like you're the second best, so that you constantly keep working. क्योंकि first के बाद कुछ नहीं है, तुम work क्यों करोगे. Treat yourself like तू second best है, तेको first पे पहुंचना है. Like once you do
True.
that, now once you change your mindset that way, you won't stop working for something you really really want.
The same way for any exams like IELTS or UPSC or it is a CA. So there is 1 lakh, 10 lakh people who are competing. They are going to write and they are giving their best. Usme se 50% are giving their best and you know it. So what are you doing extra? What are you doing specially?
Exactly.
So it depends on how much the concept is clear first. So it's like yeah. So I am telling, yeah, you have to think you are the best, but it's like working on just yourself and not thinking that there are 5 lakh people. There are if we just think every day there are 5 lakh people. Oh my God, my chances are 0.0001. So
खत्म.
how to beat? So just remember, I am giving my best. Yeah, everybody is giving their best. What are you doing extra? So their extra comes here when you're researching everywhere. You're getting your concept so clear, so crystal clear that everything is correctly. The same way fitness, your concept of nutrition and everything is so clear that whatever 1 gram also you're eating, it counts to your diet, and it is a
Definitely.
systematic approach. So the same way in
Definitely,
every.
bro.
So this is work ethic. Work
True.
ethic here.
True. Coming to work ethic, I always think कि जो तुम कर रहे हो, 50,000 और लोग रहेंगे जो सेम चीज कर रहे हैं. तुम ऐसा क्या स्पेशल कर रहे हो? What are you bringing to the table that's very specific to your own personality? What are you doing for that? Like once you keep questioning that, now I feel like तुम्हारे work ethic के अंदर थोड़ा your own expression starts to come in. So you start to get things from here and there. You start to mix up things. You make your own work ethic. That's what's unique, right? And practice. A lot of people say practice makes perfect. Now I don't agree with that. I feel like practice makes permanence. Permanence makes perfect.
Wow, this is a
Like,
really deep one.
yeah. So
You
permanence
have to
is permanence. Permanence is कि आई डोंट केयर कि आज या कल क्या होने वाला है. मेरे को जो जॉब है, जो मेरे को करना है, कल करूंगा, आज करना है, परसों भी करूंगा मैं. वैसा that's supposed to be your mindset, bro. As long as this is clear now, you keep moving forward, you'll keep giving your best, you'll always be creative. And I feel like हर एक चीज में ना creativity आती है. Even fitness, bro. तुम्हारे डाइट के साथ how you play around with whatever, building a body, like इतना aesthetic बनना, it's an art. और क्या है?
It's an art. It's an art. Bodybuilding is an art, bro. Because yes, in artists, what they do is they're painting and they're drawing figures, and but we are drawing our own body. We are
Exactly.
sculpting our own body. It's they are drawing on a piece of paper, and we are drawing on a body. It's the same thing. So art, art is really unique form, bro. Like every art is different, and every artist is consistent and passionate about his work. The same way here.
True, bro.
It's not only loving the journey, bro. I think respecting the journey and loving you have to respect what you did. You don't see it in a wrong way. Even if even if I did starvation and all, I respect it because I started it. If I would
Yeah,
have just
true.
if I would have eaten anything else and then I would have not seen result, I wouldn't have respected that because I'm not giving my best. So I gave my best because I was thinking I'm the best. I am giving my best. So it's all in the mind again. So whatever mind says, you think it is right or wrong, but you at that point you don't know it's right or wrong.
Hmm.
Whatever is right for you, you do it because
It's all about
uh,
growth ना. It's all about growth.
growth.
कि तुम आज सोच के you thinking about yesterday. You think
Hmm.
ठीक है मैंने उस तब क्या गलत किया था जो मैं आज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. You're learning from your past. That's what learning is. You constantly actions करते हो तुम. वापस जाते हो you think कि अच्छा मैंने ये किया अब मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. This is called growth. मेरे को और
Yeah.
करना है. Need to keep learning. If I learn more, I'll grow more. You know, it's the same thing
True,
with
bro. Very true.
exactly.
So coming on to my fitness journey. So it was till 12th.
Hmm.
Uh, I managed, like, I'll tell you how first. So till 12th, I had to manage my board exam and my fitness thing also because both had some roles in my,
Yeah.
because I had to get into a good college, which I am right now, and then I had to manage fitness also. So fitness helped me give little freshness before started studying. So I recommend everybody that at least anything, not just gymming or anything, just jogging or something before doing anything which refreshes your mind, whatever you want to, like art or like painting or something. You should do it. You should do it on a daily basis because that's gonna refresh you, reboot your mind. And it's rebooted, and you see how computer works, right? When it's refreshed and rebooted, then it works so smooth. The same
Exactly.
way here.
And there's scientific evidence that actually proves that you doing any physical exercise during your consistent work जो normally करते हो, for example पढ़ाई, अगर तुम you know schedule बना के if you say कि हाँ मेरे को इतना सा workout करना है रोज, then it's actually much better for your पढ़ाई because your क्या बोलते हैं
Bro,
कुछ
the neurotransmitters and the
neurons भी काम
dopamine
करते
level and all that are very regulated, and they are neurotransmitters are basically the brain signaling your eye signaling your brain whatever it's seeing and all that. It gets better because
so like
uh,
I'll link down below all the studies that I can find about this.
yes, yes, yes. You can find various
Exercising.
studies, but
Yeah.
yeah, research has shown it. So exercising proves that you can better your mind, you focus more. Because 1 second, bro, I'll tell you one thing.
Mm.
In the gym, the 45 1 hour minute 1 hour whatever you're spending, you focused it right there. So from there, that part of your life, you understood what a focus means. उसके पहले we didn't know what focus means. We were playing badminton and whatever with friends and all. That wasn't focus. In gym, you focus, you keep phone aside, you do your work
True.
very disciplined way. And that opened my doors for discipline, bro.
Mm.
I thank gym for this because discipline in any field is really important, even if it is your career or anything. So when you
True. True.
open the doors of one door of discipline, you're gonna open all the doors. So
True.
you
True.
have to
Definitely.
be disciplined about whatever you do. Uh, then
And it's the
okay,
same thing. It's the same thing with schooling, now. Tell me if you agree
yeah,
with me. Same thing with schooling. School क्या सिखाता है तुम्हारे को? ये it's not only about the concepts. Not only about
concept.
concepts. It's saying कि you need to be consistent. तुम एक work ethic set करो, discipline लाओ अपने life में. Bro, अपन बचपन से सुनते आ रहे. Be disciplined, show discipline. ये be discipline रहना
कौन कर रहा है? कोई नहीं करता.
कोई
बचपन
करता
से
नहीं.
सुनते आ
But that's the thing now. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm telling people कि ये सब life में incorporate करो. Some way or the other, school is not trying to teach you only those concepts. It's teaching you those concepts, but at the same time, it's also teaching you कि in the process you learn कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं ऐसे ऐसे पढ़ना चाहिए, इतना ज्यादा पढ़ना चाहिए, तब पढ़ना चाहिए, फिर वो वर्क एथिक आ जाता
students do this thing that they start hating the subject. That's the worst they can do because I remember my friends telling that I hate this subject, man. I hate it to the core. And you're telling yourself you hate, so obviously you're gonna hate it.
Exactly.
Whatever you do, it's like you're telling your mind you're gonna hate it. So you're obviously gonna hate it. So the same way, the same scenario, you have to tell yourself that this is the subject I'm very keen to understand, and this is going to help me in the life. And this biology, like English, you say, where you want to do comprehension. Okay, so comprehension karna hai, so you have to composition. Sorry, the composition, you have to understand the topic and you have to love it before writing it. So you have to understand that all your concepts. The same way fitness here played role, bro. So you have to understand it. That's what how everything works. So
Exactly, bro. Exactly. So
hmm,
it's a set this thing ना कि रोज मेरे को 1 घंटा जिम करना है, मेरे को रोज 3 घंटा जो भी है मेरे को पढ़ाई करना है. एक वो स्केड्यूल जब सेट हो जाता है ना, इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट इन लाइफ. अभी लॉकडाउन, व्हाट इज द लॉकडाउन टीचिंग अस?
Allah.
अभी क्या रूटीन नहीं है किसी के पास. लोग घर पे बैठ के बेड के ऊपर जाके काम कर रहे हैं, ब्रो. It's telling
Work from
the
home.
importance of
Work from
routine कि yeah, if you don't have a routine set, work ethic नहीं है तुम्हारे पास, लौड़े लगने वाले तुम्हारे.
home.
Simple as that, bro. It's as simple as that,
Yeah.
because so many people are struggling with online school, or काम that they're doing online, saying that कोई discipline नहीं है, जब उठना है तब उठ रहे हैं हम लोग. We're doing all this stuff. I actually, bro, right now मेरा स्कूल तो खत्म हो गया, but like I miss going to school at one early morning का टाइम पे. डिसिप्लिन रहता ना, ब्रो. यू ट्रेन योर माइंड टू थिंक कि ये करना ही है, ऑप्शन ही नहीं है तुम्हारे पास.
Right now we understand that we loved school, bro, because we were always eager to go every day, and we were enthusiastic about how it's gonna be. And then it's a phase of life that okay, that's gone, but we enjoyed every moment, right? So it's good. It's good enough.
Let's talk about diet, right? So diet में cheats, there are a lot of cheats, definitely. So like, but sometimes in the middle of the week, not on Sundays, you have those cravings कि यार ये खाना है मेरे को. Like I've
Yeah,
had this ganda sa craving for like meetha and stuff during.
everybody has. I was
How do
also
you deal
there.
with it? How do you deal with it?
Cravings, you have to deal with how to deal with cravings. So I treated cravings as the part which is gonna affect my body. So if I had, so I was like, अगर मैं अभी खा लेता हूँ इतना सा sugar का, if I eat this much of laddu, then my muscles are gonna lose. So even if that mindset was wrong, okay. So scientifically, it's not correct that whatever I was telling the mind. So if
Hmm.
I'm telling the mind that you're gonna lose your muscles or you're gonna gain fat by it, you're actually you will follow you will really what do we say, you will really eliminate that starving thing. And one more thing, bro, I'll tell you how to deal with starving. So whenever you are getting those starving, sorry, your cravings, what am I saying?
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you're getting those cravings, you substitute the food. How to substitute it? Like, for example, say if you want to have something, waffle or something, for example, you substitute that food with one Subway sandwich and with really less fat. Okay, your taste buds are satisfied, and then it's all over. But make it a habit that you're not falling for cravings, and then one by one, like one every week, you'll understand that up to mere cravings ja rahe hain. How? Because I substituted it already. Now I don't crave for waffles. Now I crave for Subways now. So, and then one day you will stop craving for Subways also. So that's how my craving part eliminated from my life. Now, okay, bro, since 5 months in quarantine, I have not had a
A
single
cheat day.
cheat meal,
That's
not a
crazy,
single
man.
bar of chocolate.
That's
And
crazy. How are you doing this, man? Like this is actually so inspiring. Because I cheat every Sunday, right? और मेरे को हफ्ते में कितने ज्यादा cravings होते हैं जो जाके मैं संडे को पूरा करता. You don't even have that Sunday, man. Like how do you deal with that?
so I'll tell you everything now. Basically, started when Corona thing happened and gyms closed, and I was shocked. I didn't have weights, and
Hmm.
then it was a challenge how to do it home, bro. Home workouts are not enough.
Hmm.
If you have a really nice body, you cannot do it with home workout. And then it was a challenge for me. And bro, trust me, I lifted cylinders.
I saw your
Fucking
video.
cylinders.
I saw your video. I remember this. Yes, you lifted cylinders. You,
So
yeah,
for 1 month, for one whole month, I maintained my whole body with cylinders. I
yeah,
did
bro.
lunges with cylinders. I did chest press with cylinders. I did shoulder lateral raises with cylinders. I did everything with
Um,
cylinders. And bro, this thing taught me that uh, gym gave it's like quarantine taught me this really well, that life is going to give you shocks.
mhm.
It is upon you and your absorbing power and your, what do we say that गाड़ी में होता है ना this
Suspension.
thing, suspension. It's
हाँ.
how much your suspension is built enough that you're gonna take that shock and you're gonna give it back to quarantine. You're giving back to your bumpers.
It's
So
all about
how
pivoting,
are
ना? It's all about pivoting.
you,
अच्छा, first time
how
this route, थोड़ा अभी sacrifice करके I have to figure out a way for me to achieve the same thing in a different way. But that's how it is. Like quarantine में,
yeah,
especially मैं घर पे जब था, obviously बाहर का खाना तो नसीब नहीं था क्योंकि मंगा नहीं सकते. घर
parents and obviously
Sunday I
it's not
started. Now you know what I did. Every Sunday I started cooking, and every Sunday was my
yeah.
meal. So
Hmm.
my brain got into that zone. अगर cheat करना है, you have to work for it. का खाना खुद बना.
Work for it, true bro.
So you know that dopamine comes in ना. So you're not just eating खाना ऐसे तुम बना के खुद खा रहे हो. Put in the effort, eat your food after that. Like another way
True.
I learned to deal with these cravings in the middle of the week. जब भी मेरे को like I'll tell you Thursday and Sundays I don't work out, bro. Okay?
Okay.
Thursday and Sundays I don't work out. मेरा schedule वैसा है. So every Thursday मेरे को इतनी गंदी craving होती because उस दिन workout नहीं होता. That motivation is not there. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
every single time I have a craving, I drop and I give myself 5 push-ups. 5 push-ups.
Oh wow.
So and I'm like, हाँ zone में आ गया अभी. No cheating. चलो get back to whatever I was doing. It's like that, bro. Like some tricks are there, no? Like वो अभी संडे को भी I'm cooking for myself. That's another dopamine trick.
Cheat meal is just like it's the give back.
The
you're rewarding
reward.
your body for
हाँ,
the sacrifice. For the
exactly.
sacrifice. So coming to the sacrifice, for one photo shoot I did, bro. For one photo shoot I did in January or something. I had 5 day, 4 day continuous fast.
Hmm.
4 day of no grain of anything. 4 day of 500 calorie diet. Okay, basically not 500 calories. I counted because I was on veggies, and wo veggies 500 calories I was counting. Only veggies for that photo shoot.
Wow.
And coming to that sacrifice, then after that 4 day of no anything, no grain, when I finally had my pizza, the taste was 100 times better than normal times I had
Yeah,
a
yeah. It's
pizza.
more special that way, no? Also,
Very precious.
so that's all about your physical health. So about mental
Well,
health and stuff. Do you meditate? Do you believe?
yeah, bro. I believe in spirituality. I mean, I don't meditate, but spiritual. So I'm more spiritual kind of guy
Hmm.
who believes that God exists, obviously, and then He is giving us power and He's giving us energy, and then how to channelize it by spiritual chanting and whatever I wanted. I did because and it helped me. I'll tell you how. So I was not getting sleep the other day, and then I was like, how to manage this? Then I was chanting few things which my mom told, and obviously, mom जो बोलती है we don't follow. But one day I did, and bro, luckily in like fraction of minutes, I slept because of that. How does it work? I think it works because we are connected spiritually. I mean, our soul and like body thing, like I'm calming my soul also when I'm calming my mind. And then you're easing yourself down, and your internal mental health is really going down, and then it's
Mm.
normalizing and it's neutralizing. So it's upon your belief, bro. Some people don't believe, some people believe. I
Yeah,
believe in
definitely.
spiritual and
Definitely.
meditation.
But there are a lot of,
Actually, I'll try meditation, bro. I'm
you should,
trying
bro. You
meditation.
actually should, because over the past month, I have started meditation and I've actually seen the results. Like, I feel like I've become more wise than I've ever been because of meditation. Because I think something called gyrification. It's like all the bends in your brain or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but it helps with that. So it really builds on your neural connections and everything, and it's very good for your mental health. Because in meditation, essentially what you're doing is your thoughts are coming your way, you're welcoming them, and you're dealing with them. You're not running away from your problems. At the same time, you're not abusing a situation. You learn
True.
to deal with it. You're thinking about that problem. You're thinking कि अच्छा ठीक है, ये हो रहा है मेरे जिंदगी में, मेरे को कैसे फेस करना है, whatever whatever. That's called meditation. And you do this by concentrating on your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. You do because it keeps you calm. You know, stuff like that. And a lot of
So
people,
you are indirectly saying that if you're not getting a solution to a problem, meditation gives you a way to channelize your energy, not to focus on uh,
like, it's not,
that part
it's
of
no, it's
not
not
getting
like,
the solution. You are channelizing the energy that I will get a solution. But right now the state of mind should be that to get the solution I have to be optimist. And then for because solution like solution to what do I say, yeah, so how to manage gym without having a gym, like
mm,
how to manage everything, like how to manage diet without going to supermarket, how to get it. So that solution you can meditate and you can think about it.
वो तो
Because
बोलते हैं ना, when a lot of people panic. Like, for example, if you're like whatever, if you're crying or something घर पे बचपन में अगर रो रहे हो, your mom always used to say deep breath लो बेटा, deep breath लो. Or your friends also say, bro, calm down, just take some deep breaths. Why do they say that? Taking those deep breaths, those 4 breaths also that you take, meditation. You're calming yourself down, you're learning कि okay, this is how I'm gonna deal with some stuff. Okay, let it come my way, कुछ करेंगे. And like, bro, the one thing that meditation has taught me in this quarantine, it's like, it's one of my biggest flaws that I've realized, and I've started to work on it. It's that you shouldn't be afraid of failure. You know, if you're afraid of failure, you won't try to do anything. And if you don't try to do anything,
true.
you won't receive any results. Even if you fail, if you try something, next time you know, अच्छा ठीक है, मेरे को ये नहीं करना है, कुछ और करेंगे. We'll try something else, but कुछ करना है.
That's it now, bro. A small step is enough. A
Exactly,
small
exactly.
step will enough.
So from your transformation journey, if you didn't start, you ran one day, no?
Yeah, I ran one day. Just
Ran one day and you just tried to see कि कहाँ पहुंचूंगा. And that day you did fail. You fainted.
yeah,
Literally, you woke
yeah.
up.
I fainted. I fainted. I literally fainted. I
That
woke up thinking that
exactly.
how. And yes, I've started my journey. Then how should I do the next step? So then again, the thought of next step. I have to wake up at 5 a.m. That step I took. Then again one step that I have to do
Mm.
push-ups, 20 push-ups, 50 push-ups. That one step. It's all about small steps, bro. Like how to build a building. Each small brick and each small this, they make a
Definitely,
building.
bro.
If
Definitely.
one brick is missing, you can your building will collapse at that moment because
So
it
at
one brick.
that point, if you were too scared to fail, if you kept thinking कि अरे नहीं यार, what if, like, right now I'm a little fat, if I try to work out, my friends will make fun of me. I don't want that. If you thought that, you wouldn't have reached this stage right now.
Right now we will not. Yeah.
Exactly. Let's talk about dopamine.
Hmm.
Dopamine is what? It's the feel good hormone in your brain.
Reward. Yeah, reward system.
है ना? It's the
It's
reward
body.
system. So जब भी कुछ करते हो तुमको अच्छा लगता है because of dopamine. अभी
Yeah.
in क्या है? Now a lot of people, they're taking drugs, alcohol,
Hmm.
weed. even masturbation to some extent, right? All of these factors, they give you dopamine very momentarily. कि चलो
temporary
temporary,
pleasure.
temporary pleasure, momentary pleasure. Exactly. You're not putting in so much effort into that thing. क्या कर रहे हो तुम? एक बस drink बनाया और पी लिया, खत्म. नशा चढ़ गया, dopamine.
Yeah, that's what they have substituted it, right? They have
Exactly.
substituted their
So
satisfaction with this.
exactly. So if you're giving your brain that dopamine so easily, why will your brain work hard for something that you love? जो passion है तुम्हारा. For example,
Bro.
fitness. If you started, let's say, smoking weed or having alcohol, apart from all the negative effects alcohol would have on your body, physically, mentally, it would be कि like नहीं यार मन नहीं कर रहा आज छोड़ो ना क्यों करना है because your brain is so used to getting the dopamine इतने like कम time के लिए obviously but इतनी easily मिल रहा है उसको एक ड्रिंक पी रही जो ड्रिंकिंग समथिंग कितना एनर्जी लगता है उसमें वो अलग है दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ डोपामीन द अदर काइंड इज
True.
पूरा बॉडी बना दिया you've been consistent with all your work you look at yourself in the mirror and you feel very good about it that's another dopamine that dopamine you
So
work
fitness
for it
taught me, bro. Bro, that's what fitness taught. I'll tell you what. I'm clean in life. I've not touched one sip of alcohol. I've not had one sip of alcohol, or I've done any cigarette. I've not taken any puff of any cigarette because till 12th I wasn't with any friends like that, and after that, the thing is fitness. Fitness taught me that you don't seek for temporary pleasure now. You settle for only
correct
permanent.
correct and that's the
What gives you
that young
permanent?
people need to have right
Bro, I went to Delhi. I went to Delhi, right? For my studies. There, I actually met people who were taking drugs in front of my eyes, and they were offering me drugs,
Mm,
cigarettes, and everything. And my parents are also in Hyderabad. Then obviously, any guy would love it to do something. But the thing is, I was so strict that if I take inside something bad, then it's gonna have bad impact on the body, right? So giving that temporary pleasure, I'm giving my body a permanent damage,
mm.
which 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 it
True
won't
bro
go through.
definitely
Like
definitely
I'm not saying that one sip of alcohol will do any damage. It won't. But you have opened the doors. You have opened the
exactly
gates. So it's.
exactly
I'm not saying alcohol is wrong. Consumption of alcohol is not wrong. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that instead of seeking the temporary pleasure, what we are doing, replace it with permanent and take life as a challenge that this is a permanent pleasure I have to seek. Like career,
definitely bro
you have to work for
definitely
your career. The same thing. You're director. You're
mm.
directing thing. You don't smoke anything, right? You don't smoke cigarettes. Why? Because I think your passion has contributed to this.
True bro
If
definitely
a guy with no goals, if a person who has no goals in life, he's gonna fall for anything which gives him a temporary pleasure. A
that's true
person who has goals, who
I
has
completely
set,
agree with you.
yes, who has
And bro,
set his
like our society is also like right now the situation is also so screwed up, so damn screwed up. Young people are being exposed to all of this bullshit, all of this alcohol consumption, this cigarette consumption, weed consumption, so much earlier than they're supposed to explore what they want in life, their passion. Bro, I had my first cigarette encounter in eighth grade. I chose not to smoke it, obviously, but my first encounter was in eighth grade.
I've seen people seventh
Exactly,
class,
bro. If
sixth class are
someone,
doing weed and then cocaine and then whatnot. I think cocaine and all this is gonna happen sooner or later because they have opened their doors that now it's time for me to take a temporary pleasure.
yeah,
So now they
definitely,
are
bro.
gonna fall for it. And I don't believe in this thing, bro. What everybody says that try everything before you die. Try
Mm.
everything before you die. I don't believe this shit because what are they saying? Try if I'm a vegetarian, try non-vegetarian before I die. If 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 he's a saint, try sex before. Yeah,
Matlab,
try.
yeah, we get the point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you get the point. So that's what I'm saying. Key. What is this bullshit? This is not. Try everything. This is wrong. Try a
Like,
good thing, right? Instead,
but
try.
I honestly feel each to their own. जिसको जो करना है वो करेगा. But as a society, it's our responsibility to push good things forward instead of momentarily pleasure seeking.
Because generation by generation, it's gonna degrade now.
Definitely, bro. Definitely. Exactly like that.
Because it's already been. We know. Parents
Bro,
came.
I'm seeing 7th grade के बच्चे going on sneaks रात को, sneaking out of their house, going outside, smoking cigarettes.
And that's
Like,
we
okay,
messed
just to make sure we're not dissing on anyone who's doing all of these things. Like, we're just reflecting on a society as a whole.
society as a whole.
कि लोगों का फ्यूचर कहाँ जा रहा है, क्योंकि अगर 7th क्लास के बच्चे सिगरेट फूक रहे हैं स्नीक मार मार के,
ये तो गलत है ब्रो. 7th क्लास के लड़के कर रहे हैं, मैं मुंह पे बोलता हूँ, लाइक ऑन रिकॉर्ड हियर, इट्स रॉन्ग.
of course it's wrong, but like why is it happening? That's what we questioning. ये सोसाइटी में क्यों हो रहा है ये? जब अपन 7th क्लास में थे, we couldn't go to a girl and approach that girl and say hi. ये लोग उनके साथ स्नीक्स पे जा रहे हैं, सुट्टे मार रहे हैं. Like, what is happening? Like, you know, the society is changing so much. I'm not saying कि कुछ गलत है, कुछ सही है. I'm saying that we as a society should think about this stuff so much because so many things are going wrong. Every day I see a story on Instagram. लोग स्नीक्स पे जा रहे हैं कोरोना के टाइम पे पहली बात तो. Okay, so let's end the podcast. खत्म.
Thank you guys. Thank you Viraj for having me.
Any day.
Thank you Viraj for having me.
Thank you for coming. Means a lot.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, bro. Actually, like as a brother, you are a brother.
Same, bro. Same. We were just two bros. We're casually talking about our life and just recording.
True.
So everybody, that was the podcast. Stay tuned for episode 2. This was Rahul Jain. It was great talking to you. It was a super casual conversation, super intellectual and inspiring as well. Stay tuned for episode 2 of Plugcast.